Yes, my people, yes, my people, yes, my people. What go on. I don't know, say artist this again. You understand, my people? You understand? I see today, my people, I come to highlight something. You understand? I not gonna lie, such man, me hear a talk about that thing you what day, and me agree with him. I agree with such man on that topic, yeah. You understand, my people? Yes, you don't know Bounty Killer my artist already. So we never even have to bother debate about that. But my people, me talk about one artist. When nobody no really a talk about the artist, if it's true. I see the artist, yeah, I one of the baddest artists in a dancehall, whether dancehall or reggae, my people. I one of the baddest artists. I'm here talk about the artist when you King Shango, my people, aka Capleton, my people. I one of the baddest DJ, this, my people. From in the 80s till now, and the man still bad, my people. You understand? The man, Capleton, one of the baddest artists with true, my people. When they check it out, Capleton locked down Jamaica, all na the time when Capleton and beenie and war, my people, me I tell you, Capleton I go hard, my people. Yes, man, Capleton lock down Jamaica, my people, man. With some bad song, you see me? Baby, don't cry no more. Wasting tears, lucky that, Some bad song, slew them a be a feelings, them a carry kuya when they see me with the fire. People them a ball, say them want more profit. They should have known St. Mary may come from. Yo, and we can go on and on and on and on, my people. You understand? The artists are my people. I one of the baddest artists in a dance hall, my people. If not the baddest. Me not go lie. The artists, yeah, bad. Wicked artists. Right now, them soft for the moment see the young artists, them a jump on now. If Capleton jump on any one of them soft for them, I can guarantee, my people. So it's gonna be a piece of fireworks, You understand? Yes, man. Capleton, man, if you get him on man, a bad artist. You understand? A bad DJ, man. Bad DJ, man. Trust me, panda one, my people. Yes, man. King Shango forget him on man. Him bad. Anybody you put him up with, man, him shine, man. No feel no way. A bad artist, yo. Bad artists are bad artists. You have to talk about them. You understand? You and Terro Fabulous are our next bad artist too. But a Capleton we are talk about today. You understand, my people? Right there, some man. Leave on a comment, my people, wanna think about this, man. Yes, man. Capleton forget him flowers and forget him glory. Trust me. Yeah, man.